Hi students, it's Shayna from EspressoEnglish.net, and today I'm going to explain the difference between wish and hope and how to use these words correctly in English with lots of examples. For more lessons like this one, make sure to download my ebook, 600 Plus Confusing English Words Explained, because it will make the differences between confusing words clear to you. The link is in the video description. The word wish is usually used for imaginary situations, when you want something in the present or past to be different, but it's not. When you're wishing a present situation was different, use wish plus the simple past. For example, I live near the beach, but I wish I lived near the mountains. I wish my mother knew how to use a computer, but she's terrible with technology. I'm very busy and I have no free time. I wish I didn't have to work so much. Getting a visa to travel to the US is difficult. I wish the process wasn't so complicated. Try to put it into practice. Pause this video and say one thing about the present that you wish was different. Remember to use wish plus the simple past. For me, today the weather is pretty bad, so I wish it wasn't raining. Now, when you're wishing a past situation was different, use wish plus the past perfect. For example, I didn't go to college. I wish I had gone to college when I had the chance. I wasn't expecting your visit. I wish you had called me first. Yesterday I got very angry at my best friend. I wish I hadn't said she was stupid. I wish I hadn't seen that horror movie. I've been having nightmares for the past week. Again, let's put it into practice. Pause this video and make your own sentence, wishing something had been different in the past. For me, I wish I hadn't stayed up so late last night because I'm kind of tired today. Now let's look at the word hope. Hope is used when you want a specific result and when there is or was a real possibility of getting that result. When you are hoping for a result in the future, you can use either hope plus the present or hope plus will plus the verb. They're equal, there's no difference. For example, I bought a present for my girlfriend. I hope she likes it. Or, I hope she'll like it. My final English exam is this Friday. I hope I get a good grade, or I hope I'll get a good grade. The festival is next Saturday. I hope it doesn't rain, or I hope it won't rain. Now try it yourself. Pause the video and say or write some things that you're currently hoping for. I hope you learn a lot from my videos, and I hope you'll join one of my courses someday. You can also use hope in the past continuous, past perfect, or past perfect continuous when you wanted a result, but that result didn't happen. For example, I was hoping my girlfriend would like the present I bought her, but she hated it. I had hoped to get a good grade on my English exam, but I failed. I had been hoping it wouldn't rain, but there was a huge thunderstorm and the festival was canceled. Okay, your turn. What was something you were hoping for that didn't happen? I was hoping to travel more during the past couple years, but I couldn't really do that because of COVID. Now you know how to use wish and hope, and I hope you put this into practice so that you remember the difference and you don't mix up these two words like a lot of English learners do. Again, check out my 600 Plus Confusing English Words Explained ebook if you'd like to learn a lot more. Thanks for joining me, and I'll talk to you next time.